Okay, so guys, as you know that this session basically we gonna like cover up about the resume part and the LinkedIn part. Okay, so first we will go for the resume and then afterwards for the LinkedIn. Okay, and I believe everyone here, like obviously they know few are the fresher guys, few are the experienced one, and they know about the resume part, but still I know that this session will like change your mind that what basically mistake you are doing it, what basically you are not getting up, and what we have to put on the resume part. So that's okay. So guys, I believe a lot of guys you are saying yeah, there's a lot of voice disturbance.
Distortion, sir. There is distortion in the whenever you're speaking.
Yes.
Still, if I'm saying it's a echoing or like something like what? Echo.
Distortion. खड़खड़ हो रही है सर आवाज में.
एक्स्ट्रा नॉइज आ रहा है, खड़खड़ खड़खड़.
Okay. Okay. Is it better now?
It's better now.
Yeah, it's clear now.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
रोटी लेके आते हैं. ऐसी थोड़ी बड़ी साइज की टी शर्ट ही मैं जिम पहनने जाने के लिए चाहिए हमको. ब्लैक कलर, ब्लू कलर, ऐसा व्हाइट भी चल जाएगा.
Is my screen available to everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Please mute yourself.
क्या करूँ?
Guys, lot of voice echo is Abbas, please mute yourself, yeah. So guys, is my screen available now?
Yes.
Okay, so first of all, obviously we're gonna talk about the resume, how to highlight your resume and which part you have to manage, and obviously you have to what basically put on your resume. So guys, basically I'm just suggesting everyone to listen this carefully and take the notes also. And guys, also I want to say that first of all, try to make your resume one page, not two, 3 page, one page. That's a must needed part right now. I know that a lot of you guys have experience also, which you take like almost around 2 3 pages to write it down, experience and everything. But still, I'm suggesting those guys also like to go for the one page resume. Okay, so what we are learning today, what we are covering up, that yes, what is a resume, how to write an awesome resume, and yes, resume writing tips, and top resume mistakes which we do on a regular basis. We just don't aware of those things. Skills used in data and cyber security vertical domain. So that slide is also must needed for the fresher and the career transition guys who are basically looking into the data domain right now and the cyber security. And the other data domain position which you can apply, we will also see in this slide. Okay. So,
Vimala,
from
My
guys,
slide is not
please mute
visible.
yourself. Slide is not visible.
Yes.
Slide is
sir,
corrupt or it's showing multiple tabs.
Okay, just wait. Is it available now? My screen?
yes, sir, it's visible.
Okay. So I'm repeating once again because as earlier this slide was not visible to everyone. So we are learning today about obviously what's a resume, how to write an awesome resume. Obviously, resume has everyone write. I believe everyone has created from their college days itself about the resume. Resume writing tips, what you have to mainly focus to write on the resume. Top resume mistakes. Obviously, we do that, but we not aware of that. What mistake basically we are doing it. And skills used in data and cyber security vertical domain. Okay. And other guys, please mute yourself because obviously question answer we gonna do that after the session. Don't worry. And other data domain position which you can apply, other different designation and position which you saw on the job opening, whether on LinkedIn, any other job portal. So those position are also you can apply. We can also see where you can go. Okay. So now what is a resume? So basically what we whenever this question comes up, there's always a in a mind your resume is simple. Simply it's about your background thing, your skills which you have to show. But it's not that only because resume is the first part. Okay, in whichever company you apply, whether you are a fresher or experienced, resume is the first thing. It means you just think as a storytelling. You are telling about yourself in a professional way, not in a personal way, but in a professional way. You are telling your story to one of the company or whoever the person, whether it's the HR or the hiring manager. So it's like a basically you are telling a story about on the your background, your skills, your accomplishments, what you have done, what you had achieved till now, and what you are good at. So those things, it's a must needed part on the resume. And now the purpose. The goal of any resume is to get the applicant an interview. Obviously, first thing is that your first round of interview, it's totally depend on your resume. It's get shortlisted or not because everyone has their own resume. Everyone is creating their resume, and resume is the first line. You can say first step to any organization you're going to for the interview or whether you're going to join. So that's why resume is the most needed part. So importance, a clear, what we have to like obviously take care of basically, a clear, scannable and concise resume will get an employer attention. So clear means everything should be short and crisp. It not be like a jumble words where you used a so much hard English or you can just write a baby language thing. No, it should be very clear and focused that what you have done, what you are doing and what you want to do. That's thing very important part in your resume. Scannable means why I said in the first stage that it should be a one page, because obviously it's a habit, it's a natural thing for any person. Like if you share me a one page resume or to anyone, so obviously it looks like sir you can scan easily. Okay. And if there's a 2 3 page, so lot of guys out of 100%, it's like 80 to 90% don't see your resume properly if you have 2 3 pages. Okay. Concise means obviously if you have done a lot of skill set, you have done a lot of projects, so write those projects which are needed according to that job opening. In short, according to the JD. Okay. So here, how to write an awesome resume. A resume is what stands between you and your dream job. So make sure your resume game is strong. Obviously, you have to create such type of resume that obviously it should be out of box, not out of the crowd, but out of the box. Okay. So, like obviously, first thing which you have to particularly mention about the format. Format is something which can be arranged or laid out. So it should be not more than 1 page in length, which I said earlier. Margin between it should be 0.5 or 1 inch, not beyond 1 inch. Okay. Make the most out of the space on the document. That means if you're creating 1 page resume, don't add too much. And also don't like leave white space a lot. This is especially for the fresher guys. If you are saying that you don't have a subject to write that much on your resume, so please like you can just add on your projects, your achievements. Okay, so in that way you can fill the form, you don't have to leave the space. List content in reverse chronological order. That means ki what you have done, what you are doing currently. Guys, please mute yourself. So you have to write what currently you are doing, and after that what you have done after that. So it's a like a reverse thing which you have to write. Okay, that's a format for the resume. Now see section. What is section? Section you can include a header. Okay, contact information, professional summary, educational, professional experience, and professional skills. So this should be in your section. It's a must needed. Okay. So here you can see I just like paste one sample resume where you can see it's a 1 page resume. This guy is also experienced one here. So how he managed to write everything on this part. So you can see here. Okay. Now the first point in earlier slide you saw that there's a header. So here in header, what you can do, you can include your first name and last name. You can see here as a name, email address, phone number, location, city, and state. Here you can see in email ID, city name. You don't have to write the full address. You just have to write the city name or like state name. That's it. You don't have to mention that house number, sector number. It's not needed. Okay. And LinkedIn and GitHub ID. Guys, you are like majorly, you are doing from data domain and the cybersecurity also guys are here. So I'm saying that your LinkedIn link it's also be available and GitHub ID. It's a must needed because right now what's happening in the IT side, if you are doing and if you have done some projects, so it can be a showcase on the GitHub account. Because those guys, technical guys, gonna see go there on their website GitHub account and see that whatever projects you have done. Okay, everything coding part. So each and everything IT guys, GitHub is must needed right now. Okay. Now, professional summary, like a objective. What you I can write on the objective. Okay. So a professional summary is a brief summary of your skills, expertise, and career objective. In short, it like a storytelling thing that what your majorly skill set are, what your expertise, that if you are a fresher, what you are keen interested in, and what's your career objective. That means in the future what you are going to do. Okay. So right, include the title of your current position or expertise. That means for the cybersecurity guys, you can write cybersecurity or ethical hacker. Okay, so it should be a heading type. And cyber security and ethical like in professional.
भाई मैंने छुई नहीं
uh,
तुम्हारी इस
guys,
तुम देखो उसमें
guys, please mute yourself. With 1 year of experience in network security, penetration testing, and vulnerability assessment. So in this way, you already mentioned about your skill set, what type of experience you have, and what your in short future goal. Everything is mentioned here in the summary. So in this way, you can write everything about your profile in a short summary. Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt. Can I
Education
address it
and
right now?
man, if I just request that after the session, you can definitely ask. You can note it down your question. Okay. Because what happens if you are giving in a question, so everyone gonna ask the question, so sessions like this slides not going to be get completed. That's why I'm
Sure,
requesting
sure.
everyone. Obviously, I will be open for any type of question.
नहीं है
Okay. So now in the education and the certification side, in this section you can include your degree information and certification. So here you can write about your degree title, that what basically you have done, or like program or university name with the graduation year. You don't have to mention about the skill set. Okay. You don't have to mention about the what type of percentage you have received or you got. No, it's not needed. Okay. And there's a optional sections where you can write GPA. This is for the fresher because you have a lot of space on your resume, so that's why you can add GPA and the what type of honors you have, academic achievements or awards if you had achieved, and for the minor thing, anything you can write regarding that you have like volunteered for some NGOs or any of your like what club side in the college, so you can mention about those things. Like professional experience, it should be only job title, that means position, company name with the location, description of job responsibilities, and start sentence with action verbs, that means what your job responsibility which you have done. In short, action one. You don't have to write all the whole story about it, that this type of thing happened and this thing you were doing. No, directly write this thing I was doing it. That's it, nothing else. Key achievement, list quantitative achievements or honors, that means anything or any of your project in your current organization or last organization from which it gained a lot of like fruitful for the project for the company, so you can specifically list those things achievement. And dates employed, that means obviously date, duration you can mention, and this all things can be mentioned within a 3 to 4 line. And if you have a lot of experience, that a lot of guys are here 5 plus or 10 plus years of experience, and you have 5 to 6 companies, so try to write down job description 2 liner only, that means 2 points, that's it. You don't have to go beyond that. So that's a professional experience. And skills, always mention your skills in two segment. First one is the hard skills. Hard skills, that means the technical part, like for the cybersecurity I have written here network security, penetration testing, vulnerability assessment. And same goes for the data domain side, like Python, SQL, okay, Power BI, Tableau, ML. So all these hard skills you can write here. And in soft skills like leadership, critical thinking, management, communication. So in this way, you can just segregate the hard skills and the soft skills. Okay, these are the optional sections if you have lot of space is left, okay, on your resume. So in this way, you can mention about these sections also: languages, volunteering experience, certification and awards, and publication. So these things, if you have like published any paper, so you can mention those things also. Okay. Here, resume writing tips. What do you we have to like what? Attentive about writing the resume. Be consistent with your formatting. Consistent formatting makes your resume scannable. That means format, you have to always on your toes for the format thing, because somewhere is a cursive, somewhere it's not, somewhere is Arabic. So it's not be like that. So you have to like consistent in their format also. Length and margin. Guys, please mute yourself. Length and
नहीं,
margin.
अभी समझ में नहीं
So
आया repeat करो।
guys, I'm requesting everyone, please mute yourself. Otherwise, I will mute all everyone. Length and margin.
Yeah, do
One
that please,
page.
because I'm not able to understand what you're saying right now. I'm not audible. You are not audible to me properly. Just take a moment and mute all of this.
Don't do anything.
Okay, guys, I've just muted everyone. Is my screen available now?
Yeah.
Just you can
Yeah.
you can ping me on. Okay, so length and margins. Obviously, you have to create a one page and also margin no smaller than 0.5 inches. So this can be noted down, guys. Not less than 0.5 inches about your margins. And
Slide
watch
is
your
not
verb
visible.
tenses. If you are still
Sir, the slide is not visible.
where is not visible, I believe now it's visible. Okay, so watch your verb tenses. If you are like still currently in a position, use present tense. If the position was in the past, use past tense. Because I saw a lot of resume of yours only. A lot of have done this mistake. So past company you have written for the present tense. So these things can be avoided. Okay. And yes, voice avoid first person pronoun. That means wherever you are mentioning about yourself, so write I, not we, or something like that. So grammatically mirror error, it's not be there. Keep it a one page proofread. Obviously, proofread that means whenever you have created your resume, always try to send to someone who can check your resume. Obviously, in this case, you can share with me also, but simultaneously, you can share with your friends also, with your family also, that is there any mistake on the grammatical side, or like your the format size, and what's your like margins about. If you're seeing any lag in the margins, that's also can be checked. So obviously always try to proofread your resume. So resume writing tips. If you have a resume, get in touch with us or friends and relatives. The same thing which I've tell earlier. Trade resume. Read to see if that it has a scannable format and appropriate sections. That's the thing which I said in the beginning only. Try to read that if your resume, if you are sending to someone, if you are seeing somebody else's resume, so can you see that resume properly? Every section is clearly mentioned or not? You have to check also for others also. Give your partner constructive feedback. Obviously, whatever mistake is there, tell them bluntly whether they like it or not, but it's a positive sign. So that's why. Trade back and revise. That means obviously you can simultaneously exchange your resume in your batch to see that if your resume is good to go or not. Okay. And if you haven't created the resume till now, use the template provided. I will share you the resume template by tomorrow to everyone, and it will be the ATS proved resume. So you can use those template, create a rough draft of your resume. You can create it. When you are done, get in groups. That means in your like whole batch, you can like share each other's resume. How's it looking? And please don't copy it. Okay, if one guy is taking another resume, so don't try to write each and everything, because obviously plagiarism is something is the part also. And from my side, if I'm sharing the resume of you to a company, so it's not should not like a, that everyone resume is the same. That's why. Read for a scannable format and appropriate section. Obviously, you can do yourself this part. Give constructive feedback to each other, and the same thing you can do with everyone. So, what the top resume mistakes which we are doing till now? First one, obviously, the common thing, typos and the grammatical errors. Okay, using an unprofessional email address, guys. That's the same thing. If you have just giving example, well, that myself Ashutosh, so it should be like a Ashu's 1992. So it sounds good. But what if I say that cool Ashu at the rate gmail.com? So it's look like a totally unprofessional email address. So it should not be like that. Too much information, TMI, which we can say, because these things are like checked in the ATS format also. You don't have to write lot of things on your resume which is not needed according to that JD, according to that opening. So always omit that part. Lack of keywords. Here the keyword means whatever the skill set required to the JD, that opening, you have to mention those skill set on your resume. In that way your resume get the chances for the shortlisting. Otherwise, whenever you apply, you will get that your profile has been rejected within a day itself. So that's why keyword is the most needed on your resume. Generic objective statements, it should be not beyond that you have like cracked Oscar part thing in on your resume. It should be a generic thing, objective statement, not too long or too short information. Obviously, it should not be a one liner also, and it should not be a five liner information. It should be a in between 2 to 3 liner information should be there on your resume. Poor formatting, obviously, format which I said, that somebody use the like what cursive in the first heading and Arabic in the second and the heading in the lower section. So that not should be there. Always try to come up with the same format, and it should be the size difference only. That's it, nothing else. Not tailoring the resume for each job. Obviously, I just said that for each and every job opening. And this is the most needed part, because right now, a lot of guys, I believe you saw that I am sharing the opportunity with you. So in that section, you can say that whenever I just post the JD or opening with you, so I always write below that, like, update your resume according to the JD, then share with me. Why? Because every time you have to change your resume according to the job opening. Okay. So that's the thing. Not tailoring the resume with a job. Listing only duties instead of lot of achievements. So you can mention about the duties, what you were doing on that particular skill set, and not don't write all the achievements. Write to achievement majorly which is focused one, not all. Majorly, they want to know what you were doing and how you were doing it. That's it, nothing else. Including irrelevant personal information. Like personal information, I can give you the example that a lot of you guys have written about your 10th also, that in this year you have passed 10th, you have passed 12th on this year. It doesn't require that. You can simply write your bachelor degree, and if you have master degree, you can write that. Why? Because obviously, if you're doing the bachelor degree, but without doing 10th or 12th, you can't do the bachelor degree. That is an untold story. You don't have to mention that on your resume. Okay. Inconsistent employment date. That means obviously a lot of you guys have like not working since a lot of time, and obviously if you are like what, like if you have 3 to 4 years of experience, and in between in each and every company you have the lackness of 4 to 5 months you were not working, and you're not mentioning about that what you were doing in that 3 4 month. So that also you can write it down on the resume that you have taken this course, you are doing that particular course, you were like mastering this particular skill set. In some way you have to fill that gap. You don't have to mention. So this inconsistent employment date is only for the working experience I'm talking about, not for the fresher. No contact information. That means a lot of guys haven't mentioned about the phone number also on their resume. So that thing also you have to take in the criteria that obviously contact information would be there. And I'm suggesting that write two phone number, one of yours, one of your like family member or like a close friend, because obviously it's not that every time you pick up your phone or sometime obviously there are a lot of missed call there. So try to mention another number also in your resume so that that information can be passed to that your close one. Okay. Overusing the buzzword means that, see, if company is asking, suppose obviously every company differs, that some company asks majorly on Python, some company majorly asking for SQL. So don't write Python that much that everywhere you can write Python each and every line. No, try to mention about the Python where the project where you have used the that particular skill set Python, so mention that skill set. Okay. If just giving example, obviously they need Python also and SQL also, but primarily language they need Python for the SQL queries. So obviously mention lot of projects which you have used the skill set Python and less about the SQL. Okay, but you don't have to like fill your resume with the Python only. Okay, mention other skill set also, because see what happens, no, any company they don't only require that particular skill set, guys. They need that, yeah, hands-on experience or good on that particular skill set, but simultaneously other skill set also they need, but those things are not written on the JD. Okay, now guys, I'm saying that you can take the screenshot of this particular page. Okay, what type of skill set used in data domain, because here you can see in the business analyst SQL is used, advanced Excel is used, data visualization like Power BI, Tableau, Looker is used, business intelligence BI tools like quick click views, SAP business objects, etc., modeling and diagramming tools like Microsoft Visio, LucidCard, Draw.io, Blasmic, requirement management tools like Jira, Confluence, Azure, DevOps, Trello, and programming and scripting like Basic Understanding. Okay, so if you have this type of skill set, you are already in the business analyst. And in data analyst, you can see SQL, advanced Excel, data visualization, statistical programming language, data cleaning and manipulation tools, database and data warehousing, ETL tools also are used in data analyst, BI and reporting tools, basic scripting, and API and web scraping. And obviously cloud platforms basic like AWS, Azure, GCP, all this comes into the basic one. So data scientist, obviously programming language, Python, R, SQL, ML, and algorithm. Data visualization tool like Matplotlib, Seaborn, Plotly, Tableau, Power BI. So, and big data technologies, cloud computing, DL, NLP, and statistical analysis and the virtualization. So, if you have this type of skill set, you're already into a data scientist. In ML AI engineer, programming language like Python, R, C++, or Java, ML framework, that comes a hardcore one for the ML side, TensorFlow, PyTorch, deep learning like CNN, RNN, GENS, Transformer, NLP, computer vision, big data technologies, cloud computing, data pipeline. So guys, you can take the screenshot for the data domain side, guys. I'm changing the slide. And see other data domain position which you can apply. Like if you have in earlier slide, you can see that if you have this type of skill set, no, so you can apply in IT business analyst position also, data business analyst position also, functional business analyst position also, technical business analyst position also, product business analyst, BI analyst, banking finance business analyst, CRM, ERP business analyst, and business process analyst. Same goes with the data analyst. Here you can see this type of job openings you can also apply. It comes into the data domain only, guys. Like data scientist, guys, you can also apply ML engineer, data scientist, NLP data scientist, computer vision data scientist, finance and risk modeling data scientist, product data scientist. Okay. And like AI or Gen I, you can also go for the AI research scientist, generative AI engineer, machine learning engineer, prompt engineer, AI product manager, NLP engineers, computer vision engineers, AI ethics and governance analyst, AI solution architect, and conversational AI developer. So same like in a machine learning, you can apply for this position also: ML engineer, ML ops engineer, DL engineer, reinforcement learning engineer, ML research scientist, applied ML scientist, NLP ML engineer, computer vision ML engineer. So these are the openings apart from that particular module, or you have taken the course, you can also apply in these positions also. And don't worry, this position I will also get on board. Okay. And here it's for the cyber security and ethical guys. You can just have take a screenshot. After that, you can know that what type of skill set if you have, and you are like good to go on that particular opening. Okay. Other cyber security and ethical Hammond domain you can apply, like security engineer, cyber threat intelligence analyst, security auditor, compliance analyst, wireless security specialist, industrial control system, security specialist, DevOps engineer, CTF trainer, ethical hacking instructor. So these position you can guys apply from the cyber security and ethical hacking. Okay. Now, the hardest thing about writing resumes have to be picky, obviously, because now after seeing this, and I need each one of your resume by Monday, or like from tomorrow itself, you can share with me. So that what happens, you have to choose your format, you have to choose your template also. So now, how you are choosing that particular format and the templates, it up to you guys. So best of luck there. Okay.
I have one
And
question, sir.
okay, please, Aditya.
So, I've watched the whole video. So, there are lots of things that you have told us, and I feel like I have to change a lot of things. But my point is there any specific platform where you recommend to us so that we can go there and we can make our resume? My first question is this. Second question is for this class, is recordings are available?
Yes, recordings are available. I am recording this session right now also.
Okay. Okay. So yeah. So uh yeah. So is there any tool which you recommend us to make this resume? Because I generally
Obviously, canva.com, you can say free of cost. You will get lot of template there for the one page resume. You can just use Canva.
Canva. Okay.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
but
Pranay.
Okay, sir, I
Can
have
you
a few
please share the
questions.
link?
Guys, let Pranay speak.
Okay, first
Yes,
thing,
Pranay.
I think he just asked for the resume. I mean, you just mentioned for the resume to be made on Canva, right? I have, I mean, heard from people that
Yes.
Canva is not ATS compliant or things like that. So, would you recommend Word or still would you recommend Canva?
So see, I'm saying this. There are two different ways you can create your resume. Okay. First
Hmm.
one is that obviously a ATS proved one. In Canva, there are the few templates which you have to check. Okay. Is it a like ATS proof or not? On ATS proof resume template, I'm going to share with you all guys tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay. 4 to 5 templates I will share with you. That's a totally, their average score is 85 to 95. Okay. ATS score. Those resume I'm going to share with you. First thing
Okay.
is that. And yes, why I'm also prescribing this Canva, because lot of times, and it's not one time, a lot of times you have to share your resume personally to a particular company. Okay, like a particular person. If you
Mhm.
had received any email from the company or like from the LinkedIn also, if you get any details of that particular hiring person, so obviously they what you do, you can just share that your resume, which is like a photo proof one, which you can see on the Canva. It's not required to share your resume ATS one only with that company. And why I'm saying this, because those type of resume will gives you another chance, because if it looking great, and by seeing it and by reading it, if his resume is very good to go, you can directly share those resume with a particular person. But with that resume, you can't apply on LinkedIn or Naukri, because all those applying websites where you apply for the job, so those
Mhm.
go through only from the ATS one.
Mhm.
You got that, Pranay?
I did. Okay. So next question. Where can we check the ATS score of a resume?
There are a lot of websites. Yeah, come on. If you can
Any
Google
relevant
it,
one
there
that
are a
you,
lot
there are a lot of
of.
them. Any relevant one that you will recommend?
So that also I will share with you on the same email where you can check your ATS one. Okay.
ATS score website you will share as well. Okay. Just making a note of it. Okay. Another
Yes.
question. You mentioned that for the if we have 5 to 6 companies in our resume, if we worked in the past in 5 to 6 companies, then have 2 pointers max for the job description. Okay. Now
Exactly.
my point here being, I have so I will be completing about 11 years of work experience in the next month. Okay. And
Okay.
my relevant
Mm-hmm.
experience comes down to 8 years. ठीक है. So
Okay.
5 to 6
Mm-hmm.
companies, 2 liners, maybe I can manage. Right now, my resume is the 1.5 page. Including the, I mean,
Right.
excluding these things, we also have to have the professional summary, correct, at the top or wherever in the
Right.
resume. So, what should be the
Right.
ideal length of the professional summary that we have?
So Pranay, first of all, tell me that your background comes from which domain side? Like you are already coming
Uh,
from the data domain side, or like IT side or non-IT side?
Sir, I am coming from a non-tech role from the IT side.
Okay, non-tech. So
So
Pranay,
basically,
if
my
you're saying that you can, please go ahead.
Good, please. Okay, I was just saying that my experience is like diverse. So it is sales as well, it is customer service as well, it is IT as well. Okay,
Hmm.
and
Okay.
so that includes about like so that will be like 11 years next month. And chalo, theek hai, even I'm not showing like the additional 3 years, I show 8 years only. 6 companies for eight
No,
years of experience. It'll be a good amount of space. And one page is something that I
right.
have a question on. Hmm.
Okay. So Pranay, what if I say that if you are going for data domain side job opening and you're sharing a profile for that particular company, so do you
Mhm.
think that your past experience, exactly if you write like three-liner, three-pointer, or two-pointer, even two-pointer also
Mhm.
related to your past experience,
Mhm.
is needed for that job role? I'm just asking or suggesting. I
Good
always
question.
suggest one thing
Good
also in your
question. Good
resume,
question. Uh,
because why I'm saying this part, because Pranay, see, till now I recommending to everyone, or it's a thank God that you have told me right now that I suggest a Pranay to you that you are go for the self projects. Till now I haven't mentioned about the self project, but a lot of you guys who are in touch with me, they know that I am always pushing you for doing the self projects. Project that means it's related to your field. Just like Pranay, you are coming from the background of sales and marketing. Obviously marketing is involved in that part. So try to do your some projects, not two, that means almost around 20 to 30 if you can add on your GitHub account, so that you can showcase that
mhm.
you are like doing the projects also on sales and marketing, so you can mention about your projects on that resume, not about your exactly which you were doing it, sales side job role. Because if you're applying for the business analyst or data analyst job role, majorly what they want a particular data domain skill set. And skill set means and what type of projects, what type of things which you have done till now. They don't want your sales expertise. They want on the sales metric how much you have done the forecasting part, on the tableau part, part, on the Power BI part, what you have done.
Hmm, hmm,
I'm
hmm.
not saying to write something wrong on your resume. I'm saying you have to mold your resume in a such a way that it can be showcased that you were doing the sales part, but simultaneously you were doing the projects on the data domain, and slowly you wanted to change towards the data domain side. If you remember in the first slide only, I have told that you have to create such a story, and this is the story which every career transition guys right now in sitting in front of me, you have to think and you have to curate your resume in a such a way that you have to create a story where you can showcase that what you were doing and what you wanted to do, and in between what you were doing it. And that doing it means that you have to do the self project to make your past experience into the relevant one. And relevant one, why I am saying this, because if you are going for the job opening, then you have to come down for two things. First one, the salary part. And obviously, Pranay, if you are sitting with the 8 to 10 years of experience, I believe your package is already like 10 plus or 15 plus LPA. So would you be like
Correct, sir.
comfortable to coming down to 6 LPA or 7 LPA?
Definitely
Because in
would.
the data domain, you are the fresher, right?
Hmm.
So why to waste your past experience? Make that count, na? So making that count, how can you give them a counting one? By doing the self projects. Right now in the course module in your like session with the mentors, they are going to share the projects. Boot camp will also going to happen, but that's
Hmm.
going to be happen after your 70% of course completion.
Okay.
And that projects is common for all in your batch. Like Pranay, in your batch like 30 to 40 students are there, so at that project almost 4 to 5 projects, so it will be common with all the 30 to 40.
Okay.
So how can you make a relevant one? You have to work on that. For Pranay, for that you can get in touch with me for tomorrow or day after tomorrow, that means on Monday. We can sit down, you can share me your updated resume. I will give you the project. Project means I will give you the ideas of the project, what type of projects you can do. But data you have
Uh,
to collect, and data you can obviously
sure.
collect
No,
from
see,
Kaggle and the GitHub.
Kaggle and everything is there, right? So my current profile as well is more of a business analyst and a scrum master and a project coordinator and whatnot. So pretty much
Mhm.
taking care of end-to-end deliverables. My reason or agenda to take this course was to get hands-on experience on the technical side as well.
Right.
So that is it.
So Pranay, I believe you are all doing the part of the business analyst. It's just that the analyst role, technical one, is missing right now.
Just want to make it
So
techno-functional instead of just functional.
exactly. So for that, obviously, yaar, I'm suggesting that please go for the self projects. Self projects means that your relevant side sector. That means sales and marketing.
Got it,
Okay.
sir. Got it. I'll do some research on this. Or and how can I connect with you? I mean, on Monday or afterwards.
So first of all, obviously, I had just pasted on the message about my email ID.
Mm-hmm.
That's a placement at the rate ingrade.io, where you can share all everyone. It's for everyone. Please share your updated resume. Not on tomorrow, I'm not saying, but yeah, till Monday, so that I will see your resume and I will give you each and everyone call. If your resume is good to go, I will definitely tell you on the same email. If it's not, I will give you the call and tell you what you have to add on that. I have written in the
Sure, sure.
message, Niketisha.
Hi.
Oh, sorry. Oh, it's
Hello.
at the rate is nothing.
Am I audible
Wait,
to you?
please. Hemant, right?
Yeah. Am I audible?
Yes, Hemant, you are audible. Please tell me.
Hello.
Thank you.
Yeah. So
Yes,
basically,
hello.
I have 7 point. Hello. Am
Yes.
I audible properly?
Yes,
Hello.
you are audible, Hemant.
Yeah. Yeah. So I
Hemant,
have
your voice
7.5
coming.
years of
What?
I have 7.5 years of experience in sales. It's totally core in field. And after that, from March, right now, I had joined a government job. It's an contractual job. It is not a permanent job as a senior project associate. So, what will you suggest to write in my CV? Because before joining as a senior project associate, I was in totally 7.5 years in field work as a sales. So, what you will suggest for that in case?
So see, Hemant, basically what you have to write, that thing you have to decide. I can just bluntly say this part that you are also like a career transition, right? Himanshu,
Yeah.
wait, I'm coming to you. Let me complete with to Hemant. So basically, you have to obviously the same thing which I have mentioned earlier. That first, obviously, you have to gauge or you have to do some self project. Self project means you're related to
Okay.
your field, your sector, your domain, so that we can showcase that your past experience which you're doing simultaneously you were also interested. So that's why you were doing the self projects on that data domain side. So
Okay.
obviously, Hemant, for that obviously I will get in touch with you first. Obviously, what type of resume you are making it. After that, we're gonna discuss that part on a separately. Okay.
Acha. Okay. Okay. So,
Yes, Himanshu.
I am audible.
Yes,
Hello.
Himanshu, you're audible.
Good. So, my
Yes.
question is just I am a fresher. Okay. So, and I don't have any job experience or कोई more must
Himanshu,
degrees,
first of all,
higher
can you
degrees.
please just switch on your camera?
Oh yeah,
I'm
sure.
sorry, guys, but whoever like talking to, please open your camera. It's like
Oh,
talking
sure, sure, sure,
to
sure, sure.
just a wall. That's why. Yes, Himanshu, please tell me.
Yeah, I don't have too much higher degree and I don't have an experience. Okay. So I am fresh in this field. So how can I fill my resume as you tell the resume खाली एक जगह
Okay,
ज्यादा नहीं
so
रहनी चाहिए. So
Himanshu,
how can I manage?
see, obviously, if you are a fresher, it's a very good chance for you. Obviously, by doing the self projects, why I'm mentioning and focusing on the projects, because reason being, in every job opening, if you can see on the LinkedIn, if you can see on the Naukri or any other job portal, in the fresher category you always see 0 dash to 1 or 2 year of experience guys required. That means you can think that for the 6 LPA or 7 LPA, fresher guy is also entertained and 2 year experience guys is also entertained. You getting me? That what exactly
Yeah.
happening right now in the market? So in short, in the reality, fresher job is not there at all. I'm bluntly, guys, I'm saying you, I'm not giving you any false hope. And also you, Himanshu, that fresher job, if you are thinking that if you are not knowing anything and industry going to entertain you, no, not at all. Even the IIT guys are not entertained in such a way. IIT means IIT college I'm talking about. IIT and NITs.
Okay, but you said
And why they are selected and why they are these guys are get selected from this college, basically they are doing in the college days itself a lot of projects. If you can go and check what type of project they have done, what type of paper they have published. Because Himanshu, what happened now, if you remember, I don't know if you are or not, I was the backbencher in my school days, not the
me
front
too.
benchers. So what we were doing in that time in school, what we were doing in the school time that day, whenever there is a exam coming up like a final exam, 1 month before, what we were doing, like getting the notes from the topper, from the first benchers,
Yeah.
okay, and try to study that part, and then go for the like the exam time, okay. But what the first bencher was doing, in every class, one day before only, he come up with the reading, with the particular subject, with the particular topic. He came prepared, well prepared. He was coming there, so that while coming there only, he will go for and ask for the questions, doubts, in short. He was doing that part, right? And that time we were not doing it. Why? Because we were in the competition with only to 40 to 50 guys. You're getting it?
Okay.
So these was
Yeah.
the mistake we were doing that. But right now, where we are sitting right now and we are applying for the job, here the difference that 40-50 which saw in our school days, right now we were doing almost around what? Thousands and lakhs. I'm giving you the part that the thousand and lakhs we are competing with. So can you imagine how you are gonna blow that part? And by blowing means how you are like getting in that job role. So for that, Himanshu, you have to struggle and be on your toes that doing the self project. And
Okay.
self project means obviously, don't worry, Himanshu. We will get in touch because see, I'm telling you in last month also because in this company I have almost around 1.5 month I have went there. In last month I have taken the session till the January and Feb guys. Almost around 250 guys were there. So I'm right now touch with
Okay.
those guys. Even I believe in this session also one or two guys are got connection with me. So I'm telling to everyone that yeah guys are do your projects, and I'm sharing the project ideas with them on a personal level. I'm sharing with them. But yeah, for
So,
the data you have to struggle. That means you have to
uh,
go on the Kaggle and the GitHub.
fine.
Okay, and
So,
make your resume as much as project you can make.
okay.
Yes, Himanshu.
Hey, the
So
project
I'm
you gave me in the portfolio, can we show that project in our CV?
What?
The
Mohit,
project you
if you
added
can
in our
just turn on your
portfolio, can
camera.
we?
Portfolio, obviously, yeah.
Hello.
So portfolio means what? Yeah, whatever the projects you are doing, first you have to mention on the resume also, and obviously simultaneously you have to post that on GitHub as well.
Okay.
Hi, Ashutosh. This is Pranab here. Good evening. Uh, I have a question.
Good, Pranav.
This is related to my experience here. Yeah, I have been working
Okay.
for like corporates for like 7 years, and after that I took a break for like 5 years. It's not as if like a break, but I
Mm-hmm.
have opened one distribution, business, which is running. And
Mm-hmm.
as well as during that
Mm-hmm.
period of 5 years, I have done some government civil jobs, during that period. Okay. So how will I
Mm-hmm.
manage to encapsulate all my this expertise into the resume so that I can be, before that I was a techno-functional guy. Okay. So in mostly
Mm-hmm.
logistics and supply chain domain. So I'm not into programming as such, but I was more into technical support previously, and after that, technical integrations like SAP and other the functional integrations. So I need to because I'm doing my projects, self projects in Kaggle from the Kaggle data and the portfolio data which I have, and I have already put it in the GitHub.
Mm-hmm.
How can I have already shared
Mm-hmm.
my existing resume with you. So can you just go through it? And I have checked my ATS score. It is around 78. Uh, and suggest me how can I mold it to, get it get it in an eye-catching way of getting into a data scientist role in
In
some
short, toward you have taken the which course?
data scientist, data analytics and data scientist, and AI/ML.
Okay, okay, data scientist. Okay, Pranav, now I have to check
Yeah.
your resume also. So just give me time till tomorrow. I will
Okay.
catch up with you. And I believe that, guys, if you haven't filled the form, I will share you also on the same email. I will share you the one Google form where you can just fill that form. And a lot of guys on a single hand receive that Google form. It's like a career service placement type role where I needed each and every details of your okay for sharing the requirements with the company. So that's Google form is must needed. So your everyone guys, I will share that also. So Pranav, if you haven't filled that form, so fill that also. I will catch your resume from there itself. Okay.
ठीक है. Thank you so much, Ashutosh. Thanks.
One last question,
Sure,
sir.
sure, Pranav.
So, I think everybody here will be curious to know about this. So let's suppose ki, we have all created our resume according to what you have recommended us. So, uh,
Mhm.
okay, I'll be very blunt. So, what will be the next procedure? I mean, how we will going to apply for company, and how the recruiters will be able to see us? Is there any advantage which is providing by your end, or like these things, these perks basically? I just want to know what will be the next
So
steps.
see, Aditya, till now you guys are not getting any job opening or opportunity on your email IDs, because what I am
Yeah.
doing, like almost the opportunity which I have in my kitty, and I'm sharing to everyone, whether
Mhm.
they are related to that job opportunity or not. I'm sharing with it. Like example, for the fresher guys, I'm sending in the experienced JD also to them, so that they can see also that what type of openings we have in our company or in our kitty. Okay.
Hmm.
And if your job role is totally relevant to that opportunity, you can just mold your resume according to that JD and share with me. Okay,
Hmm.
first thing is
Yeah.
that. And
Hmm.
Anitya, it's not that whatever right now I'm telling, it's not about that what I need. It's
Hmm.
about you also, because if you are also applying from your side, whether on the LinkedIn, whether on the Naukri or any job portal, so your
Yes, sir.
resume can go in a such a way, it can be selected, not in a rejected way. And
Yeah.
to be honest and to be blunt, I can also say this, that I will not share your resume if I'm not
Hmm.
confident on your resume to any of the company. Reason being,
Hmm.
if your profile I will share with the company, and if it's get rejected in the resume screening itself, that
Hmm.
means you know that the policy of the companies are there, that the 6 month to 1 year you can't apply again in that company. So
Hmm.
why to share your resume if I am not confident, and if you are not confident, so why to share that resume to any of the company? So that's
Yeah.
why
So.
if I shortlist your resume to that particular company, I will drop a email that I'm sharing
Hmm.
your resume to the company,
Hmm.
and next for the next step I will get in touch with you. Okay, for the
Hmm.
screening
Hmm.
process.
Yeah.
That's the first thing. And
Hmm.
if your on your part, if your resume gets selected, if at any company, if you are applying
Hmm.
directly to any of your company on LinkedIn or any other job portal, and if it gets
Hmm.
selected for the interview round, so in first and
Hmm.
only you can tell me directly that Ashutosh, I'm selected for this company for this role, and this is the JD.
Hmm.
So I will arrange a
Hmm.
mock interview, and that mock
Hmm.
interview is from the company veteran. It's not somebody else guy will take that mock interview.
Hmm.
Okay, you're getting it.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Basically.
any type of.
Hmm.
Mhm.
So basically, sir, to be very honest, like, I am a business intelligence analyst. I have 1 year of experience, and I have a hands-on on Power BI, SQL. I have worked in Python also. But the thing is, I'm
Mhm.
planning to switch. Okay. So I'm applying for jobs in on Naukri and LinkedIn. So I'm not getting any response. Maybe because of my resume, I'll reframe it basically, and I'll
So
do
obviously,
I'll
Aditya,
apply.
definitely then I have to see your resume.
Yeah.
Okay. So tomorrow I will the form which I will share with you now. So
Mm.
just fill that all the details, and
Sure.
obviously you have to share your resume also
Yeah.
on that Google
Sure.
form.
Sure.
So I will go through that and give you the update
Mm-hmm.
by Monday. But by next week, I will give you the call to everyone. It's not that on Monday, obviously, I'm a single person, can't give the call everyone on a single day. So obviously,
Yeah.
1 week it
Understand.
take time, but I will definitely give you the
Mm-hmm.
call. Okay.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah.
is there any sample
Yes. Yes, sir.
Uh,
with us, sir?
Anatharam, wait, Satish was saying.
yes,
Satish line
Satish,
was
Satish,
from the
yeah,
earlier.
yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Actually, I'm a hardcore sales guy. I do have a long year of experience in sales and marketing, and in various industry like building, tobacco, FMCG. Now I'm in the certification body. So I just want to switch over
Okay.
the things from the marketing because everywhere I'm going to the field and everything. That is why I just choose business analytic. I can able to sit in the office. I can work like that. And I don't have any technical knowledge in my world experience.
So I do have a field knowledge and the business knowledge and how to draw the business. That's only. And in my resume, I have shared you personally in the chat also directly. You just check with me. And the project you are saying, you just advise to everyone that you can do your own project. I have no idea about that. Just give me the project and give me some idea also that I will try. That's it. I just want to convey that because that is why I'm just research because when I'm taking that course, everyone's saying that we already in the sales, so business analyst will be choose up to you like that. Don't it says. So it's a question for
So
me.
basically, Satish, you can understand that business analyst is something that position that 50% is non-tech, okay, and 50%
Okay.
is tech. So
Okay.
the same way which you have the experience of the sales and marketing, so already 50% you have the knowledge. Right now, the
Yeah.
50% knowledge is from the data domain side. Basically, you can say you have to be the hardcore on the Python, okay, Tableau,
Okay.
Power BI, okay,
Oh,
and the SQL. This four skill
okay.
set,
Fine.
if you are, see, advanced Excel is for everyone. Whether you are in the sales and marketing, non-tech guys
Yeah. Yeah.
also,
Yeah.
advanced Excel is the most needed part right now
So
in the world.
yeah. Right now I
Okay,
am an assistant manager.
right now,
If I want to move on to general manager, they asking for the Python
correct.
tally skills,
Satish, you are asking about
Excel
the
skills,
general
everything.
manager. Come to UP in the for the peon position, they are asking for the Excel. Do you know even the Excel of how to do the sum and everything on the Excel part? They are asking this
Yeah.
type
Right.
of
Right.
question to the peon position level. So
Yeah. Okay.
see, Excel is it's like out of default, it's already there. But rest four
Yeah.
language, you have to do the not I'm saying the mastery level, but yeah, perfect level you have to do.
Okay.
Okay, so and how can do that? Again, I'm saying self projects. The projects are going to be shared by the ingrade also, but that's for the all the batch. It's a common project. Okay,
Sure.
it's
Sure.
not like for each and everyone there is a separate projects. But for your benefit, for my benefit, because see, I'm from the guy from the career service who are in touch with the corporate relation. And I always wanted a 50% effort from your side because 50% effort is from my side. To be bluntly,
Yeah.
I'm
Sure.
saying if you are lacking from your side 50% and if you are not confident, I'm not able to share your resume further because I don't want to like waste my relation with the company, first thing. And second thing,
Okay.
and if your profile gets rejected, those companies will not entertain again for the 6 month or a 1 year for your profile. Whether you
Oh,
apply directly also, then also it's will be like a rejected form. So why to waste that opportunity? Instead of that, take your time, sit with, do some projects, take a 1 month time, put those projects on the GitHub and everywhere, then only go in the market. Otherwise, it's a no
yeah.
use at all.
Okay. Understand.
Okay.
Sure.
So
Thank you.
obviously, guys, I
Please,
know you a lot of guys will get yes, Satish.
yeah, please help me with that project and everything. So even if I'm doing right or
Definitely.
wrong, I will share
I
with you. Yeah.
don't worry about that, Satish. I'm bluntly saying that I'm going to share. It's not about a individual guy that with Pranay only I'm going to share. It's for the everyone I'm talking about.
Sure.
Okay, even if you
Understand.
get any doubt that after doing the projects, I'm saying don't poke the mentors every time. Okay,
Okay.
try
Okay.
to do like 4 to 5 projects, and if you're stuck in one project, go for another project. If you're stuck in that project, go for the third one. Wherever
Okay.
simultaneously 4 to 5 project, if you're doing it, and if you're stuck in those all 4 to 5 projects, get a session with your mentor. Okay, tell them that you
Okay.
were doing your project. Don't tell that I
All
have
right.
given you, so that they will think that in the company guy only sharing the
Okay.
projects with you.
Yeah. Understood. Understood.
Getting it, Pranay? The things which
Yeah.
I've said, na, don't tell that I am sharing with you. Tell them that you were doing the projects,
Got it.
Oh,
Got
sure.
it.
so that they.
So,
So in that way,
thank you.
what did
Thank you.
happen? Na, obviously, yeah, the story which I told na about the school time.
Yeah. Right.
So,
I was a
so
backbencher of
in that way,
college. Yeah.
mentors will also get happy that yeah, my learners are doing it.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
Okay.
I will keep in touch. Thank
Ashutosh, this side Sanjay.
Yes.
Actually, when I
Sanjay,
joined,
if you couldn't wait, yeah, Murung Nandan has just raised the hand from the
not
lot of
not
members,
an
so
issue,
that's
not
why.
an issue, not an
After
issue.
after after that, Sanjay. Yes, Mandy.
Good evening, Shtush. Actually, I am a banker,
Good evening.
working as a banker for the past 13 years. And now from May till date, I am in break actually. So will this have an impact in my placement?
So see, it's not about impacting the part, how you are like filling that gap by telling on the every each and every part on your resume. That's going to be challenging one. And obviously, Nandan, you have to work a lot. Reason being, because filling that 1 year, because it's almost 1 plus year. From
No,
last
no,
year
no.
May,
Actually,
you
two
said, no?
months, 2 months. No, this May, two
Acha,
months. No.
okay, 2 months this year only. So that's
Yeah,
also a good to go because you can just mention that no, you wanted to change towards the data domain side. That's why you have taken the course from the ingrade, and that's why
yeah,
you wanted
exactly.
to like
Actually,
100% focused on that part. That's why you left your job and want to focus. So for that you have to do the projects, man, and that also from the BFSI domain side.
yes. Okay.
You're getting it? Just as
Yeah, sure.
just same like Pranay that he wants to do for the sales and marketing, and earlier guy also, that those guys have to do from the sales and marketing side project. For you, you have to do from the BFSI domain side. For that,
Yeah.
don't worry, we will get in touch and I will give you the ideas about whatever projects you can do. Okay.
Okay.
But for the
Okay.
data, obviously, you have to do the hard task.
Yeah, definitely. I will take care of that. And please guide me on that. Please guide me
Sure,
on what type of projects I have to do and get me into that.
sure, Nandan.
Ashik.
Thank you.
Okay, thank.
Yes.
Sorry, Sanjay. Sanjay was
Yes,
there. Sorry.
Ashutosh,
Yes, Sanjay.
actually, I'm working in Jaipur and I have total 28 years of experience. Okay. And when I
Okay.
joined in grade, I already asked them that I don't have any IT background. They're saying not an issue. Just
Hmm.
because of experience, we can, give you a surety of placement. I'm not looking for placement, but I just want to, grow my career. I want to, think something big. Like I am working as a AGM in an organization, so I'm looking for GM, VP, or something like that. Okay, so what kind of
So,
advice you want me
what
to
type
give?
of company, like what type of domain it is? It's like a
I am
plant
totally
side or
working
what?
in manufacturing field.
Okay, manufacturing in plant side, no?
Yes, I
If
am
I'm not
leading
wrong.
quality department.
Hmm. Okay, and you have taken the course the business analytics or like what?
Yes, yes, with senior business analyst. Actually, I totally, when I joined, I clearly mentioned that I don't have any IT background, but they are saying no, no, not an issue for that. So I'm saying, okay, not an issue.
Because see, Sanjay, what happens no? For the business analyst, it's a easy transition, but transition take times for the career transition guys. Because you're coming from the lot of experience, okay, and sitting with the high package also, okay. So by seeing that page, you have to slowly and slowly, it's going to take time, Sanjay. I will not say you that directly you will get a lot of opportunity, because for the higher package and for the higher career transition, okay, so it's take time. But yes, it's not that it's impossible. So for that, obviously, Sanjay, we have to be in on a regular touch, like once call or once a week or twice a week. We have to in always in touch that what's the progress on the project side, because for you, project level will be a little bit of a difficult level stretch, which I have to set with the mentors.
Mhm.
You getting it?
Yes, yes,
Obviously, because it will going to take time, 1 to 2 months. I'm bluntly saying, and you are from the March batch, no? So I
yes,
believe,
yes,
right?
yes,
So
yes,
I believe that 2 months still left with you, no, with ingrade. So by the
yes.
time of end of your course, by the time of end of your course, we will like arrange in a such a way so that we can like add as many as projects related to your field.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, but project level will be the difficult one as
Yes, yes,
compared to other guys like Murunandan and Ajay and everyone. That level and compared to your level, it would be much higher.
not an
So we
issue.
have to work on that part.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
And
Um,
Sanjay, I'm also asking, so you like also good to go for the UAE countries and APAC region?
Yeah, not an issue. I already work in Dubai for 4 years, so
Okay.
for me that is not something I already work for abroad.
No, why I'm saying this? No, because why I'm saying this, like for the almost around 15 plus or 20 plus years of experience, guys, opportunities are a lot of theirs from the APAC region, where it's not a hardcore your side job role, but yeah, in a business analyst role, they need those guys.
I
So in
understand.
past also a
I have
lot
no
of
problem.
learners I have placed there.
Okay, I
So
don't
that's
have
why
any
I ask.
issue with that.
That's why
I don't have any issue with that
because
because Hmm. Yeah, continue please.
because why I'm saying this, Sanjay, because obviously I have to ask because you are a lot of experience, and for your opportunity I have to get personally with the companies, because we
Sure,
don't
sure.
have that much learners portfolio, no, above 10 plus or like 15 plus years of experience. So I have to work on the with the single companies for you guys.
Not an issue. Not an issue. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.
So, but Sanjay, but it will take time. Huh? Don't think that I will like from the starting only, like from next week or 2 week, within a month only, I will share the
Not
opportunity
an
for you.
issue. Take take
But it going to take time.
take
So
six
that's why
months
I'm saying
because
be patient.
no, I am already working in a very good organization, and I have a lot of time. Not an issue with that.
Sure, that's great.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot, Sanjay. Yes,
Ashutosh,
Manasa.
yeah. Uh, see,
Yes.
I basically am from April batch. Have opted for data
Okay.
analytics. So the thing is, I
Okay.
have completed my master's in data science from London. Like in
Right.
2023, I passed out. But unfortunately,
Okay.
due to family issues, I had to come back to India. But still, I do have my visa left for 5 to 6 months in London. So like, and there's a lot of gap also, right? Like almost 2 years gap. So I just wanted to know how
Mhm.
does it work, or will you guys have any tie up with the companies which are in UK, something like that?
Manasa, like, see, on the personal note, I do have, because
Okay.
I'm the guy here sitting in front of you. I have almost around 7 years of experience in the career service. So
Mm-hmm.
my past company is from Upgrad
Mm-hmm.
and Skill Up Online.
Ah,
So
okay,
basically,
I
in
know that.
Skill Up and in Skill Up Online and the this you can say in Upgrad. So I have also handled the vertical for the UK and the US also. But
Okay.
right now, the scenario for the job opening, if you're talking about the Europe side, it's
Uh-huh.
very less as compared to US side.
Yeah, I've been applying like for so many jobs, even from India as well, but I am not getting. That's why I opted in grad.
So Mansa, see, for that, obviously I have to check and see your resume. Then only I can give you the any type of comment, or I can edit that what's it's lacking in there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, because obviously it's not getting shortlisted. That means if you have done you have a. I'm not saying that you have a lot of experience, but you have that much of skill set you have in your kitty, and still your resume it's not getting shortlisted. So I believe that there's something wrong in the resume. It's not in the format, not in the way to get shortlisting.
Yeah,
So
but
you are the
to be
fresher, or
frank,
like or you are a fresher,
yeah,
or
yeah,
like what?
yeah. Like,
Okay,
I did my engineering in computer science, and then I was working as a data associate for Alexa for Amazon. But it was not like coding
right.
related job. It was just based on this annotation and data handling and all those things. And then I moved to do my masters, but there also it's again it was not like uh, dashboard creations or something like that. They used to just give this hardcore courseworks related to machine learning and like basically what is needed for the course, that only that much. So I have done those projects, but I haven't done anything else other than that, because I had some family issues, so I had to come back to India and I was not able to concentrate. So that's why again I started with ingrade, and then I started learning new things. So I have 2 years of experience, and then master's degree, again 2 years of gap. So that's why I'm concerned.
So Mansa, we have to see your resume, and obviously again the same thing, the projects you have to do, because by 2 years is the gap.
Mm-hmm.
You have to fill that, and
Okay.
how you are filling it, how much project you're doing it, it depends on that.
Okay, so I'm okay to work in India also. Just that I thought of letting you know that I have 5 months visa left. So if I'm getting any UK companies, it's well and good. Or else I'm okay to work in India as well.
No, no, don't worry about that. If something is coming up from from that continent, so definitely I will. Like obviously, it's not that I will only share with you. Rest of the team also, rest of the
Yeah.
guys also, I will going to share. It's
Okay.
just that you have to be on your toes on every day. Once you have to open your email, so that you can check that
Okay.
whether any type of mail it's coming from placement side or not. Okay.
Okay. So can I send my resume to the mail which you?
So yeah, you can share that also, but I will simultaneously share you the Google form also tomorrow.
Okay.
For that, that's a very need. It's like a permanent thing which you have to fill to everyone. It's
Mm-hmm.
there. If you're not filling that, I
Mm-hmm.
will not share your profile with the also, because those things are the basic requirement for me.
I believe
You
I
can.
had filled Google form once before this.
It was a career service form or like what?
Yeah, it was a career service form. Like I got some Google form from inGrad regarding to the
Okay, okay,
placement.
okay. So okay, okay. So you have received it. I believe a lot of guys has
Yeah.
received it, but a lot of guys haven't received it yet. But if you had
Okay. Okay.
already filled that form, don't no need to fill that again. No? I'm telling you.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
And last question, Ashutosh. Like in India, like when are the placements going to start for April batch?
Because see, for that I have to see for March and April batch that how's their resume is, and this Google form is that only for. And if you're everyone, because see, if any one guys is getting confirmed on their resume part and everything, so
Mm-hmm.
obviously I'm going to share the JD opening on their email ID. They will automatically will get it
Okay.
from my team.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So because I believe still 3 months is left for me to complete the course.
Okay, see, as per the hierarchy, you will be receiving the job opening after the completion of the course. That's why in the 50% in between the course only I am taking this session to give you
Mm-hmm.
the thumbs up that you have still time. By
Okay.
completing the course, you can update your resume strongly so that
Okay.
you don't have to work after your completion of the course.
Okay. Fine.
You got that? So
Yes. Yes.
that's why
Okay.
now you have to work double.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure. Sure. Yeah. Anyway, thank you so much, Ashutosh. I just had this doubt, so thank you for clearing it.
Hello.
Sure, sure, Mansa. Yes, Vikram.
Yeah, I need
Vik-
to ask some questions. I have worked means I'm from BPO industry type, so I need to
right.
upgrade
Okay.
my skills. That is why I have joined this course. I'm from I think March batch for business analyst. So I'm currently not doing any kind of job. I have given a notice period also. I have completed 2 months of notice period. So currently I'm completing my course. I'm just sitting at home. So I want to join means the job as early as possible. So can you suggest me how should I approach it for business analyst?
Like I'm not getting it again. I'm not getting it, Vikram. Basically, what you're thinking right now that how you want how you will get the transition into the business analyst, right?
Yeah, I mean, so in which skill I should work on so that I can get the job as early as possible.
See, yeah, Vikram, first of all, obviously, yeah, you can understand that the same thing you're asking that each and everyone is asking that, yeah, how you gonna get a transition into the data domain side. So obviously not just by reading or just by doing the course you will get it. How much you have taken a time, how much projects you have done, how much you mastered that particular skill set, that's the important part, no?
Got it.
If I see your resume, if I see your resume, if it's not up to the mark, so you can also think that if any how any company will entertain you.
Yeah, sure.
So you're getting me why I'm saying this. Let me go through your resume first. Obviously, after that, I will see that what type of projects you can do, obviously, from your BPO side industry, so that we can make it some relevant part.
Yeah.
And these
Okay, got it.
projects, guys, I'm saying this projects is the self projects. Okay, these projects are not related with the mentors or with the course and anything like that. It's related to your domain, your expertise, your experience till now, whatever you have done. So that's why it always gonna count as a private projects, not as the not private, self projects. Okay. Yes,
Yeah,
Mohit.
sure.
Sir, I just have a
Mohit.
quick thing to confirm. Will there be anything new going ahead, or is it doubt clearing only?
No, Pranay, LinkedIn session is left, so that's why I'm just quickly wrapping up this up, because
Acha, okay.
LinkedIn part is still left. So
Okay, I think I will watch the LinkedIn recording. I have to head back home. I'm still in office. So it will take me a long
okay,
time. I'll watch the recording tomorrow. Okay. Thank you.
sure,
Thank you
sure.
so much.
So thanks a lot, Pranay. But guys, for rest of the piece, stay back because still LinkedIn is something is there. It's left. Okay. Mohit was there. Where Mohit has went?
Ashutosh,
Okay. No Mohit.
can we have the LinkedIn session
Um,
now? And
Yes,
can we
sir.
have the question
just
later on?
let me finish. Amit, actually, this related is to the resume, na? That's why.
Okay.
So I'm just quickly covering up Preeti and Abhishek, and after that we will start the LinkedIn. Preeti and Abhishek, this last two question, okay? Yes, Preeti.
Hello,
Sir, I
sir.
text you. I text you in text box.
Yes, Mohit. So I called your name, but you were not aware.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Mohit.
सर बेसिकली ये जानना था अभी हमारा एक्सेल कंप्लीट हुआ है और टैब्ल्यू
Right.
कंप्लीट हुआ है और पाइथन अभी चल रहा है तो अभी तीनों प्रोजेक्ट हम पुट
Okay.
कर सकते हैं अपने सीवी में और एल्स लाइक वी हैव टू पुट ओनली स्पेसिफिक प्रोजेक्ट
तो सी जो स्किल सेट खत्म हो गया है उसके प्रोजेक्ट्स करने होंगे पुटअप, रेस्ट उनके लिए हमें वेट करना पड़ेगा सो दैट एटलीस्ट गेट दोज कंप्लीटेड फर्स्ट, क्योंकि जब वो चीज़ कंप्लीट हुई नहीं है, उसका नॉलेज है नहीं, तो उसको कंप्लीट अभी कैसे कर पाओगे?
राइट सर
राइट.
सर
तो
वन वन मोर
पाइथन
क्वेश्चन
अगर
लाइक ओके आफ्टर गेटिंग जॉब इंटरनल मूवमेंट में लाइक आफ्टर हाउ मेनी डेज हाउ मेनी मंथ्स वी कैन शिफ्ट टू अनदर रीजन इफ वी वांट
another region means what? Job? You're talking
means
about
like
job or state or
yes, in job, and basically reason like from India to another country.
सी मोहित, यार अगर लग साथ दिया तो पहले ही जॉब लगेगी बाहर, इसमें कोई इशू नहीं है, इसमें
Okay,
कोई शक नहीं है. But it depends on you, यार, how much you are good in that particular skill set.
okay. Experience matter.
यार गाइस, मैं स्टार्टिंग से बोल रहा हूँ, अभी आप एक कोई भी जॉब ओपनिंग फ्रेशर की उठा के देख लो, जेडी देख
Right.
लो, उसमें एक्सपीरियंस में जाके देखना क्या जीरो सिर्फ लिखा है या ओनली फॉर फ्रेशर लिखा है.
No,
उसमें उसमें
no. Like
सॉरी, उसमें
we
आप हमेशा
if we
सी
have experience in some
एक्सपीरियंस.
other domain. Yes, yes. Complete,
So
complete.
see,
Then I'll.
obviously, so see, Mohit, if you are coming from the different background, I mean to say sector, domain, obviously you can change that domain into data vertical, but how? By doing the data projects from that domain. That means your past experience, past domain, past
Yes.
sector. By doing the projects data domain side, like obviously, if you're doing an advanced Excel, do the 2-3 projects advanced Excel from your domain side.
Okay.
right? After completing the
Right. Right.
Python, do some projects on Power BI, and also with the Python SQL with the Python queries, NumPy and Panda. Okay, use those skill set to create some project from your domain side.
Okay, can you suggest me like I was working in freight forwarding basically. So can you suggest me like
So
how can I
Mohit, for
start project
that,
in?
Mohit, that's why I
Yes.
said now that from next week we gonna discuss it one to one. Okay,
Yes.
and
Okay.
I will share
Definitely.
you
Yeah.
the projects regarding to your field and your domain.
Yeah. Okay. 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 Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Got it. Thank you.
thanks, Mohit. Yes, Priti, please.
Yeah, hello Abhishek.
Yes, Priti, please
Yeah.
tell me.
My scenario is totally different from others. Means I have the long career gap.
Okay,
Mhm. And
okay.
previously I was working in the telecom testing field,
Mm-hmm.
6 year around. Then I left the job
Okay.
because of my family issues and my kids. So again, I want to start my career. I joined this inGrade
Mm-hmm.
for
So,
starting the
Priti,
career again.
Priti, that's Priti, that's not the issue, yeah. Because why
Huh.
I'm saying this, because see, a lot of companies have this specifically job opening. If I say right now, if you go on the Wipro side web page, okay, even in the TCS also, if you can see the web page, there is always an opening for the female side women, for the
Hmm.
like the who wanted to restart their career,
Yeah, yeah.
specifically in the IT field side. For data domain side, yes, we have to casually watch those position because it won't come on the regular basis. Okay.
Okay.
So, and obviously, but simultaneously, you have to do the lot of projects also.
Yeah, in data
Okay,
science, I don't
City,
have any
Sajita was saying,
experience.
okay. So that's why I'm saying, no, Preeti, by doing the
Hmm.
self projects, that's going to count a lot. I'm saying you guys, if you just put those type of projects on your part, you can see the change yourself only.
Means
And I
what are the
believe that, uh,
completed? We need to work on. Means I was in the telecom testing field 6 years. So can I make the
oh,
project based? No, we can't know, and I don't have idea
yeah, definitely you can.
how.
See, that's why I'm saying, no, Preeti, for that, the project ideas I will share with you.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
don't worry about it.
I
And
have
Sajita is writing
filled
that.
that that Google form you have shared. No, we got the mail and I have submitted that. Please go through on
Mhm.
that and suggest me
But
how I
still,
can
after
start it.
this session, so please go. You can send me your resume directly on my email ID also. That's why I've shared with you.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Okay. Means just I am giving one chance to myself to start my career again. I don't know what will happen.
So see, Preeti, it's going to take time. I will bluntly say this. You have to
Yeah,
be a little bit of patience.
yeah,
Okay. But yes, we will definitely do.
yeah. Okay.
Don't worry about that.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Sure. Thanks a lot, Preeti. Yes, Abhishek. Come on.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Abhishek.
Sir, I am from the background of sales and CRM position in a developer company and currently
Yes.
working from 5 years. And
Mm-hmm.
so basically, I want to know about the career goals as I have taken the business analysis position of career point of view. So, what
Mm-hmm.
are the projects and the scenario? I have also submitted a Google form beforehand in 12th June also.
No, both thing you can do, but yeah, first share me your resume on my email ID, that placement ID. Okay, I will go through that once. Anything or any update, I will give you by giving you the call only. Okay, and after
Okay.
that, obviously, you can fill the form also. Once
Yeah, I
everything
have
is
filled the
going
form
smoothly
on
and
the
everything.
12th June. I
Okay,
have
so
filled
you
the
have
form.
already filled it, so
Yes.
don't worry. But yeah, what you can share your resume again by updating your resume, whatever I have told till now. No, you can just update your resume and share
Yeah.
with me. Okay. and we
Okay.
will definitely
Thank you.
discuss next week. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Abhishek. Priti, still you have a question left? Okay, sure. So,
Hello.
guys, let's wait. Just give me a 15 to 20 minutes. Uh, Guys, I'm just pausing to everyone. Just give me a 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to complete my one more slide is left. Okay.
Okay, sir, sure.
Hello.
So just let me finish that. Okay. So guys, in LinkedIn, I will narrate and direct in the two way. First, I will show you the slide. Then I will need one volunteer who can share their resume and how to approach the company that I will tell. Okay. Because I know you are applying from the LinkedIn as well, but yeah, a lot of mistakes you are still doing it, and I can give you that promise that you are doing it. So let's start the LinkedIn profile building session. So what basically content what we are looking here in LinkedIn building, the importance of the strong LinkedIn profile. That means obviously till now what's your profile is there, how much it is, what it's lacking there, we gonna see here. Crafting your profile, how you craft, how you gonna showcase yourself to the world. In short, physically you are showing that on the profile. And third point, building your network, how you are creating your network. That's also very important. Fourth one, leveraging LinkedIn for career development. That how you are using your for the career side. It's not only to see others happy moment that they have joined this particular role on this company, they have this much of CTC, this much of hike. It's not only for them. How much you are using that part. Okay. So why LinkedIn is important? Obviously, there are the pros and cons for the LinkedIn side. Yes, pros, professional network opportunity. Obviously, you will get in touch in which field you are interested in, which field you are going. You can get a connection with them. You can have a word. You can chat with them. Access to the job posting. Yes, job posted because right now you will not believe above 50% of the job opening and job opportunity of any company of any organization are posted on the LinkedIn. So that's why LinkedIn is most needed now. Visibility to recruiters. If recruiters are hiring and if you are from that field, you have to be on your toes. You have to be on the regular on the LinkedIn. That means on every day, leave your Netflix, Amazon, Hotstar account. You have to at least get on the LinkedIn. Make a habit. Okay. So platform for showcasing skills. Obviously, you have to showcase your skills, what you are good at, what you are doing. It has to be on the skill side, not the personal life. Okay. So that has to be showcased on this platform. Learning from industry leaders. Yes, industry leaders mean go for the founders, AVP, GM level, director level, what they are doing, what the new thing they are coming up in the market. Everything news you will get here on the LinkedIn. Okay, on the professional way. Building a personal brand. Obviously, you will create a brand because obviously now in today's days, everyone is talking for themselves only. So how you are creating, how you are showcasing yourself to the market. That means obviously everyone here is for the job. Okay, how you are creating, if you have new ideas, new venture, if you want to start your own startup, that also you can create on the LinkedIn. And what are the cons? Yes, potential privacy concern, obviously, because nowadays, a lot of guys are like posting about the personal things also on the LinkedIn. So you have to avoid that. Risk of negative impression. See, it's not compulsory that whatever you are posting, whatever you are writing, you will get always a thumbs up. You will also get the negative also. Even the negative also about the comment. So you have to ignore that also. Overwhelming information overload. That means a very good thing, a very achievement thing. If you are writing and if you are mentioning about with a lot of enthusiasm, a lot of things, don't write that. Just simply write that you have got the hike also, if you got a promotion. And so just write simply no, not over that. pressure to maintain activity. Obviously, it's always a pressure on the LinkedIn, because when you go every day, regular basis, if you see on the LinkedIn that what's going on the market, what everyone is doing, you will demotivate. They are shit, man. What I'm doing with my life, what I'm doing, I'm not getting this opportunity, and everyone is getting this. So there is always a pressure to maintain activity, that what good you are doing in your field. Okay, so that's also a negative part. So competition with experienced professional, obviously there is a competition, and you know it. You are applying for the job, you can see thousands and lakhs of applications are floating away on that job opportunity. So there's always a competition. Okay, the role of LinkedIn in job searching. What is the role of LinkedIn? Visibility to recruiter. That means your profile is visible to every HR or the hiring manager who are looking for the candidates. Job alert and job application you can see on the LinkedIn. Networking opportunities, obviously, try to give the try to send the connection to the all the HRs to the company which you are targeting. Hiring manager, technical skill set guys, the team lead guys, give the connection to those people specifically. Okay. Okay, understanding recruiter perspective. So, what's recruiter perspective is that? Recruiter's perspective is that they want relevant skills, experience, and quickly identify your suitable candidates for that job opening. So, for that, you have to express your skill set on your LinkedIn part. In that way, your profile will get on the search criterias. Otherwise, it won't be coming on the first slot itself. Profile completeness, you have to complete your profile fully 100%. It's not that you have to leave small things like including a professional photo. There should be a professional photo, not like you are like gone for visiting some other places and you just posted that photo. No, detailed work history, what type of work history you have in the past, whether you are a fresher, right, as a fresher, so it should be there. And any endorsement, that what type of skill set or what type of company you are endorsing. So significantly chances is there that it will enhance your candidature appeal. Okay, it will come on the search base whenever any company see for the any type of candidates, so it will come, but you have to be on the regular every day. Engagement signal, active engagement on LinkedIn, such as posting content, participate in discussion, signals to recruiters that a candidate is proactive and invested in their professional development. That means on every day you have to be on your toes. You have to discuss, you have to give your input, whether it's a wrong or right, it doesn't matter. It has to be the engaging part. It's not that much of wrong thing you can write, but yeah, you can mention about your thoughts, your point of view. Okay, so that it is like what it shows as a proactive from your side. Okay, so common mistake which we have to avoid: neglecting profile completeness. Your profile should be very much completed. Unprofessional photograph, like you can see here, this is the professional one, this is unprofessional. So you don't have to post this type of photos, you have to post this type. Ignoring engagement opportunities, obviously, if there is a topic related to your field, if you're seeing it, try to engage in that conversation, write your comment also, share your thought on that also. Okay. Section 2, crafting your profile, how you will craft. See, 80% of recruiters says that LinkedIn is the most effective method of vetting job candidates. 80%, I've said only 50 to 60, but the market says it's 87%. Okay. See, professional appearance matters. Obviously, professional appearance. You can select a high quality, well lit shots that conveys a professionalism. Ensure you're dressed appropriately for your industry, as this image serves your first impression to potential employers and connection. You can see that. See, your here the top three pictures are very good to go because it's very looks like a professional way. But here in the lower side, you can see no, these are not. These are only for the social media side, like Facebook, Insta, for these type. But for professionally, you have to choose this type of photo frames for you. Here, writing and engaging headlines. Just giving an example, if Mahatma Gandhi was there on the LinkedIn, how he can showcase himself. Like MK Gandhi, here his right then champion of non-violence, advocate for peace and social justice, inspiring change through truth and love. See, he mentioned about himself. So if you are coming for the data analyst, data scientist guy, you can write about related to that field. So it will be a very catchy thing if anyone comes on your page. It should be the engaging part. Okay. Highlighting relevant skills and experience. Obviously, emphasize skills that are applicable across various roles such as communication, net teamwork, and problem solving. These type of roles you have to showcase on the particularly on the LinkedIn. Okay, can attract a broader range of opportunities and demonstrate your versatility to potential employers. Because see, this type of things which you do exercise on the LinkedIn, it will highlight your profile. It can give a broader thing range that if anyone search for that particular skill set or particular job role site, so your profile will comes up and pop up. Okay, utilize endorsement and recommendation. Actively seek endorsement for your skills from peers and mentors. See, you can get in touch with your ex-employees from that particular field or friend circle to endorse you. They can write about your skill set, how good you are. So in that way, you can get a recommendation from those guys. So those types of things work as a testimonial. So it gives a credibility that your profile is very good in this particular skill set. So that you can also do with your part. Okay. Section 3, building your network. Connection with peers and professionals. Obviously, leveraging alumni network. That means from your field, whichever you are like data analyst, data domain, data scientist, MLAI, you can give the connection to those particular guys who are sitting with the experience of 5 plus, 10 plus, 15, 20 plus. Okay, so send connection to those guys. Send also connection to the HR side, to those companies, big fish companies. Okay, participating in groups. Obviously, you can participate in the groups, like obviously if there's a discussion going on, if there's something going on, you can participate in that group. Networking, obviously you have to network, get in touch with everyone. You can ask any type of project help also from your network, also your connection, if you are face any problem in that particular skill set. And I can tell you this bluntly, man, out of 10, 7 to 8 guys will give you the answer. If you are facing any difficulty in your technical part or technical issue or any of the projects, and if you ask the experienced guy on LinkedIn, they are going to give you the answer. Definitely, they will not ignore you. Okay. Engaging with content and group. See, that's what I said. You have to be the active participation in group. Joining and actively participating in LinkedIn groups relevant to your field not only enhance your visibility but also allows you to engage in meaningful discussion. So this is the way where you can give your thoughts, whether it's a wrong or right, it doesn't matter. It consider as that, yeah, you are like engaging in the group, you are engaging on this particular skill set. Oh, that's the thing which not everyone does that. Okay. So obviously it will give you, it will help you in expanding your network, your knowledge base. They are going to share their thought on that particular skill set. Okay. If you have any type of question in, if you are stuck in some of the projects, post that on LinkedIn. You will see there a lot of answers will be coming from your domain side expertise guys. Okay. Importance of recommendation and endorsement. See, importance for recommendation, because it will give your profile a credibility that you are in that particular skill set, you are good in that particular uh, job role, you are particularly good with that skill set, so that other guys can trust that if they are hiring for that particular role, so you are very good fit for that. So that's why it's very important. You can get the recommendation and endorsement from your peer experienced guys or your friend circle or that particular domain side. Okay. Section 4, leveraging LinkedIn for career development. Here, see, utilizing LinkedIn for the job opportunity, profile optimizing technique. To maximum job opportunities, ensure your LinkedIn profile is fully optimized with professional photo, compelling headline, a detailed summary. In short, your profile, your front page, whenever whoever opens it, it should be at the engaging side. It won't look like a dull side. There you can write whatever you want to write. You can express yourself on the professional way, not on the personal, professional way. You have to do that. And profile optimizing technique, actively engaging with content, sharing industry related articles, by posting comments on the post. Okay, this type of things will give you the enhancement overall development from your side. Okay, which will make more visible to the recruiter or any of the hiring manager. Okay, following companies and leader, identify key companies to follow. That means obviously here everyone sitting, they have also thought of that, I wanted to work in this particular company or this field and this domain. So try to find those companies in that particular domain, engage with leaders, try to engage with the leadership from that company, give the connection to those particular guys, build a targeted feed, try to find your related domain side, skill set side feed on the LinkedIn so that you can post comments on them, you can share the thoughts with them. You're getting it exactly. So after that, regular profile update, profile review. You can every day, if you are coming on LinkedIn, I'm saying that you have to make this a habit. Every night before going to sleep, go on the LinkedIn, go through your profile, what is lacking there. Every day if you see your profile now, you will get an experience that no, I have to change this particular point, I have to see these things on my profile. Okay, actively seek the feedback from your peers. That means try to get the feedback from your experienced guys, your experienced person, or any of your like what, uh, domain side expertise guy. You can get the feedback from them also. Stay informed of the trend means what's going on in your domain. Like example, data scientist guys, what's going on in the market right now in data scientists, mli, ai is right now accumulated into the data scientists. Earlier it was not there. In ai, how much is ai is there? It's gen ai or it's a simple ai? There's a difference. In gen ai and ai, there's a difference. So what's happening with the gen ai in the data science, you have to regularly update it on the LinkedIn part. Okay, and do the regular post, not everyday post, but yeah, try to post something which is relevant to your domain with a particular skill set, so that it can engage the audience to come up on your page. Okay, it can showcase it more. So guys, any query regarding the LinkedIn? Because I'm going to need a one volunteer who can share their screen and shares, get me through his like LinkedIn. Hello, come on guys.
Hello.
Okay, okay, Anantaram, you have a question or like you're going
Yeah,
to share your screen?
volunteer session. Okay. Shall we share?
Okay, okay, sure. Share me your screen. Yeah,
So,
definitely.
so, okay, I am sharing my screen over here. Let me know when it's visible from your end, sir.
Yes, it's visible and it's visible to everyone.
Uh, I
Yeah.
don't, I don't think that is my
Okay. So go to your front page, Vishal. It's not Vishal. You're open of another account or like what? Not home. Click on me. Click on me. Vishal, you have shared your profile. Anandaram was showing his profile.
Should I share? Shall I share, sir?
Anandaram, share
Yeah.
your screen.
Sharing, sir. Let me know when it's visible from your end, sir.
Yeah, it's visible now.
Uh,
So Anandaram, you're a fresher,
no, sir, I'm experienced, sir.
but you haven't mentioned about the company. Go to the, go down, go down.
Yes, sir.
More, 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 more. Company. Okay, you're on the career graph. That's why. So you are already a relevant profile, Anantam.
I didn't get you, sir. Come again.
I said that you are already experienced into a data domain.
Not exactly data, sir. It's more into payments, reconciliations, and stuff. Like the data Excel part is not that deep. It's a general surface level um experience.
Okay, okay. So, so guys, you can see Anantaram profile is very good to go, because here you can see that he is mentioned each and every job experience in a very good way. If you can go up, Anantaram.
Yeah. You mean the top part?
More. Yeah, see about as a accomplished payment analyst with success, I bring a deep understanding of word administration and this and this and this. Okay, okay, okay. So Anantaram, you're doing business analyst or data scientist?
Business analyst, sir.
Business analyst. So Antaram, you haven't mentioned about like lately from the business analyst side point of view, because as per this profile, it looks like you wanted to go in that field only which you have the experience from your past.
Mm-hmm.
You haven't mentioned about like for the business analyst or the skill side domain side. So see, in this about section, you have to create or curate your story in a such a way that it looks like that you have the experience of all this, but simultaneously you are doing the business analyst part also, and you want to switch in that 100%.
Okay, got it.
Okay, it's not a very hard also, but also you can also try from the chat GPT as well.
Sure, sir.
Okay, and guys, I'm bluntly saying you can use chat GPT, but don't write whole and fully language from the chat GPT.
Sure.
Okay, you have to be a good thinker, also a good writing also from your side as well as. Okay, Anantram, if you are applying for any of the job opportunity, how you are applying it? If I'm just giving you an example that if you want to apply for the business analyst, how you are
Mhm.
applying on LinkedIn? If you can just showcase me that.
I haven't applied yet, but if I have to apply, I will just go to jobs
No,
and
just don't just don't click on the job apply, but you can just showcase me that how you are searching on that LinkedIn.
yeah, so here I would type in business analyst and I would search related jobs. Is it did
Yes, it's visible to everyone. Okay. If you are going for Buildasoft, so what you can do is there you just directly click on LinkedIn Easy Apply, right?
yes, sir. Or it would either redirect them into their company portal where we have to create an account and apply as well. So
Okay.
that's on how
So
come.
simultaneously,
Mhm.
everyone listen carefully. Simultaneously, you can also go see this meeting the hiring team, Pratibha Shah. Click on her. Click on for the next page. Yes. Pratibha Shah. Okay. Go down.
Yes, sir.
Go down. More. More activity. Go down for the her activity. Show
All
all
good.
post.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Okay. You can just go down a second post. You can just click on more. For
Uh,
Java full stack developer is there. No, click on more.
Java full stack developer. Yeah. Click on more. Yeah.
Second post. Second post.
Um, this one.
Go up. Go up. No, no,
Yeah.
no. Go up.
Okay. Oh, this.
This one.
Mm. Yes, sir.
Okay. Because why I'm saying this, I'm checking that if there any email ID of her or not.
Oh,
Okay, go down, go down.
premium subscription, I
See
guess.
this type. No, somewhere, sometime these HRs definitely give their email ID, official email ID, not personal one.
Uh-huh.
Click on more for this also.
Yeah, here it is.
See,
Resort.com.
just collect her email ID. and copy it and
Yes, sir.
post it on your Gmail for sending it. So see what you can do here. If you can apply directly on LinkedIn, so it's a 99.9 chances that your profile get rejected.
Yeah.
Okay, so why not search for in this way so that you can send your resume directly to her?
Okay, like
You got my point, everyone. So
so.
in this way, you can also hunt down the HRs who are right now hiring.
Hmm.
That was Eureka. No, it's not that. See, maximum time out of 10, if you are like searching for 10 guys, out of those 10, 7 to 8 guys, you will definitely get the email ID.
Got it, sir.
Okay. And you can also send the connection to her, connect.
Hmm.
And send, wait. Right now, everyone will get a like 5 to 10, in between 5 to 10, add a note also. So here you can also add a note here. But if you are applying for this, if it's like relevant to your skill set, with experience also, with everything also, and if you are seeing that this position is for me, I'm very good to go, and if you are confident, so you can just add a note here that, hey, hi Pratibha, although, okay. So
Got
you
it, sir.
can directly also send without a note also friend request to a connection to her.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, and what should
So
mentioning in the note that I should be introducing myself and mentioning that I'm looking for so and so position. I have so and so qualification.
no, because there's a limit. Just click on add a note,
Okay, sir.
because there's a limit of words. It's there. See, 300 words only you can write.
Okay.
Words.
So it should
Okay.
be
So
a
you
request
can
for.
just write that, hi Pratibha.
Mhm.
Hi Pratibha. I wanted to apply for this role as I have shared on your official email ID. That's it. Write that only.
Okay, sir. Got it.
So that you have given a message on the
There is an
LinkedIn
option,
also. So
right?
by that, she
Yeah.
going to check the email also of yours. Okay.
I know there is an option called write with AI as well as in here.
For that, you have to take the premium of this one, LinkedIn.
Okay, got it. Okay, understood, sir.
Hmm. Okay, guys. So in this way, you can get through the HR email IDs also. Okay, Vishal Khandwal is saying that he has. I have already contacted more than 20 times and shared email directly to official email IDs, but I haven't received any response so far. Vishal, that thing I'm saying, it's a bad luck for you, but for me, it's maximum time worked, man. If I'm sharing and directly email to 5 to 10 HRs, 3 to 4 HRs definitely give me the feedback. Whether I'm rejected also, they are saying directly to me.
Yeah.
It's just that, Vishal, I have to see your resume first. If is it good to go or not, and that job opening which you're talking about, that did you apply on that? It's related to your or what experience or not?
Understood, sir.
Vishal, you can unmute yourself.
Hello.
Yes, Vishal.
Actually, I have applied only relevant openings and applied to official IDs, but I have not received any response getting shortlisted or rejected. No response from his or her IDs from HR sites.
So Vishal, I have to see your resume. What's it's lacking there? Because I can tell you this upfront that yes, if you are sending in this way, or also giving the connect on the LinkedIn to them, definitely they are seeing your resume. It's just that it's not related. That's why they are ignoring you. That's also a one point is there.
Okay, I will share with you also. tomorrow and connect on Monday.
Sure, definitely, Vishal.
Okay.
So, okay, see, guys, Vishal was doing from the earlier also, but Anatram, were you doing this part or not?
I didn't get you, sir. Which part?
With this part, that sending the connection, getting the email IDs of the HR to directly send from your personal email ID.
I have started doing it now, but I've done it earlier. So it has worked for me actually. So if I if I see a job opportunity that captivated me, I would usually send request to 10 to 20 people from that company and ask for a referral most of the time. And at least five people would be ready to refer, and I would get the work done.
Exactly. It's not that you can also go in their company web page, you can search for their HR recruiter and the hiring manager, like manager, I mean to say that particular domain side guys, you can go for those guys also. So they can recommend you also. You can do a lot of stuff on the LinkedIn as well.
Yes, sir. So we can go to that company's page, and there will be people in here.
People, right? Exactly.
And we can send a connection request to
You
multiple.
can first, you can search for the go up. In the search, you can just write HR recruiter,
Okay.
HR talent, talent, space talent. Enter it.
Yes, sir.
Go
Yeah.
here. You can give the connection. Here you
Yes.
will get the profiles. You can directly send the connection to these people.
Okay. So we can also look for their activities for email IDs if any, right?
Exactly. Okay, I'm from data analysis course. We are currently on Python. Are we eligible for applying for Java? I'm working as an educator. I'm an elderly person. Will there be any age criteria? So see, Bhavna, see, obviously you have to see the for the experience one as well. Okay, you don't
Mm-hmm.
have to like only go for the fresher because obviously on fresher they will not entertain you, but the for the experience. But Bhavna, you are coming from the education background. Try to go for the edtech companies and the education sector. You
Mm-hmm.
can go particularly in that field. Go for that because obviously as compared to Anantaram, if Anantaram applies on the any education side domain or edtech company, and if your profile comes up, so obviously they will entertain you first as compared to Anantaram
Okay.
because you are coming from that sector.
Okay.
So in this way you have to target your companies.
Okay.
Got it? Because right now in India, a lot of edtech companies are there. It's not a small fish sector right now. It's a big fish right now in India.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And obviously, if you are like giving classes, that means if you are a teacher, if you are teaching it, so obviously,
Yeah,
yeah, you can also teach business.
I'm working with QMath and I'm taking coding classes as well as math classes.
So see, Bhavna, you can also like give the session, give the teaching session. Also, you can go as a mentor also in the data domain side for the business analyst course, for the data analyst course, and simultaneously you can upgrade yourself towards the MLAI hardcore slowly and slowly because those guys are getting a hefty salary right nowadays. They are charging per hour class sessions almost around 2000 to 10,000 per hour.
Okay.
So that's also very good to go. But you have to choose your sector because you are coming from that field. That's why I'm saying. Okay.
Okay, that means I have to queue.
What, Bhavna?
That means I have to wait for few months more.
Exactly. Let the modules get completed, get the
Mm-hmm.
gauge the knowledge of those modules, then try to do the self projects also simultaneously so that it can gives you the
Okay.
experience also. And after doing those projects, you are very good to go and apply for, even I will be definitely sharing the position from those companies. Okay. From the
Okay.
edtech side, majorly I will send the opportunities. But yeah, from your side also on the personal level,
Yeah.
but simultaneously you can like apply for those openings also from the education sector, like in DPS also, in the DAV also, they are hiring for the data analyst and the business analyst guys. Bhavna, you can
Okay.
unmute
Thank you.
yourself. Yes. Okay. So guys, anyone else? Don't worry, Vishal, we will get in touch on Monday to review your profile and everything. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Sure. Thanks, Vishal. Anyone, guys? Any question? Okay. So Himanshu.
Yes, Ashutosh. I would like to share my screen and get a few doubts cleared out. Hello?
Yes, please, Himanshu. Share your screen.
Thank you. Is my screen visible? Hello?
Not fully. The screen is not visible, Himanshu. Now it's visible.
Okay, cool. Ashutosh, I was building my resume and
Okay.
I took two parts basically to build it. One was this website. It's called resumeup.ai. So basically, it gives you all the pre-filled fields. You can add fields here, and it's an AI resume builder. But you do have to add it all the information on your own. So the format, basically, I wanted to confirm: is this the right format for ATS, or uh, this is the you know that I built on Word.
So see, Himanshu, for resume, obviously that's said now that you can share me your resume.
Yeah.
So I will go through that and I will see that also.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay,
Okay.
you're creating wet resume up.ai. Okay.
Yeah. So this was one thing. Other was a basic resume.
This also is very nice, yeah. Just I'm not read through, but yeah, but just looking at the resume parts only in the first look, it's very
Hmm.
good to go for me.
Okay. Secondly, very quickly, I would like to take you through the my career basically. So I am actually a co-founder right now for a
Okay.
consultancy firm, and I'm also
Mhm.
a founder's associate. And basically, I was hired as a business analyst for strategic research and operations. Uh,
Mhm.
and these are the things that I am currently doing, and Yeah, so like I have a huge history of it here. Some other places that I have worked with when I was in my consultancy firm. So I handle around
Mm-hmm.
4 or 5, other firms in my consultancy firm. So can I add
Okay.
those over here somehow, or because this is again going more than one page?
Okay. Again, one page. I'm
Yeah.
telling you, Himanshu. Yeah, see, Mark Zuckerberg can do in a one page. Why not you, yeah? Come on.
Uh,
Did you saw the Mark Zuckerberg resume?
Not really.
So please go through it. You will find it on the Google itself, because
Okay.
that was like way back, almost around 10 years back. He
Hmm.
posted his resume also, and it
Okay.
was only a one-page resume.
Oh,
That
okay.
time, industry was not even ready for such type of thing.
Hmm. Okay, Ashutosh, I will definitely go through it. But just
Himanshu,
to get it into one
see,
page, I wanted to, remove my co-founder roles from here.
so no, it's not a thing here you can remove from here. You can change that here. Just example, the currently which you are doing it in the founder associate. Okay,
Yeah. Hmm.
so you are like, you are searching for the job first. My question is that, because you are already like founded so much company, you have done a lot of things. So my the first
Yes.
thing is that currently you are looking for the job.
Yes.
Okay, yes.
Because my
Then
time with the heat has it's almost till August only. Basically that again it will be uh, I was here with heat to just brainstorm and
Mhm.
things. I was basically a promoter of the company, professional promoter.
Okay, okay. So see, Himanshu, here
Yeah.
the majorly what I need from your side, Jesse, you have just mentioned here, no, 3 points
Yeah.
in the this Heat Jet Boats Private Limited. So here
Yes.
you mentioned about the 3 points, and these
Hmm.
3 points are not even related to the business analyst part. Like third point, try to omit that part.
Okay, this one
Why? Reason?
automated.
Because if,
Hmm.
because see, if you want to write lot of things, you can write almost, you can fill a 2 page for particularly doing what type of job role you are doing it, right? If I'm not
Okay.
wrong.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So why I'm saying is here, what's majorly is needed in the business analyst role, that you can showcase only in the 2 point. Rest, let it be for the discussion. No, when your profiles
Oh.
get shortlisted on that part, let
Hmm.
these things you can discuss in front of it. Don't don't open your coat.
Okay.
Keep some balls in your court so that can you can discuss those things in the interview.
Okay.
That's why I'm saying, because you want to showcase only those technical skill set which you are strong on,
Hmm.
and you don't have to write 100% about that. Let them guess, let them ask to you that, okay, fine, you have done that, what you have done it in that, what you were doing in this, what you have achieved in this. So this type of questions are asked from the HR side, then the ball is in your court. You are going to mold that question according to your answer, which you are 100% sure of that.
Okay.
You getting it?
Yeah, yeah, Ashutosh, getting it. So in that regard, I believe I should remove this.
Okay, and if you are talking about this transcriber Hindi, translator Hindi to English, okay, so by doing this part only, you can just mention about a one pointer only.
Okay.
You getting me?
Yeah.
What I'm trying to say here, because basically by writing this only, 60 to 70% things are understandable, that yes, you have done this type of job role, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
If you can go down more, what's in there in education, go down,
This it's still here.
go down. Okay, in bachelor's, see, if you have written a lot of things that uh, go up, first page, last line. In high
I
school,
believe
in
Ashutosh,
science, you
it's
have.
the video is lagging a little bit.
Okay. See, in high school, you have mentioned about trained in boxing and taekwondo. Seriously, is it necessary? From your point of view, also, Himanshu, you can just tell me that is it necessary to bring this up in a resume?
Not really. I'm going to omit all of this out.
Exactly. I just need a bachelor degree and the master degree. That's it. With the college name, your location, your tenure. Okay, that's it. You can mention this founded two ventures. This thing you can mention about in your this summary also. You can mention about that part. Okay, and in the experience you have already mentioned it.
Yeah.
So it's no need to write here. So see, this thing, Himanshu, we can discuss. That's why I said that. See, too much information is not needed on the resume, because see, you can you think about a point of view from the HR side or the technical guy side, because obviously what they need on your resume. If I'm looking for the business analyst guy, I will definitely search for the Tableau or the Power BI or SQL and the Python. This four language I must need it from any of the guy. If I'm not seeing on your resume, I will not entertain a single 1 minute also on your resume,
Okay.
because just on writing in the technical skills that you have this much, Power BI, Python, R, SQL, everything, but where you have mentioned the skill set in the like what, in any of the projects, you haven't done anything, you're just written in the technical skills, that's it.
Mm, okay. Understood. So, but like, can you explain how this, resume is processed? So, like,
Process means in
uh,
processed in which way?
uh, meaning, like, if I just, write it here, if I can include links to my project or anything like that.
Links means obviously projects for the GitHub. You have to post everything. Technical projects, you have to get all the projects on the GitHub account, and you can share that GitHub link in top only, below the LinkedIn link. First thing
Okay.
is that. Second thing, obviously, out of like if you have done 10 to 15 or 15 to 20 projects, so mention 2 3 projects which are the crucial one, hard one from your side also. And by thinking that okay, this was the project of, and obviously HR or any technical guy will applause me for that particular project as compared to other projects of yours, so mention those projects on the
Okay.
resume. Because any of the technical guy or any of the HR hiring, HR is there for the business or analyst or any other role, they want to see the particular skill set and the projects, what type of projects you have done. It's not about the project. Obviously if you are in the company, for the experienced guys also, if you are in the company, so they don't need the company project, but obviously they want to know, what type of skill set projects you have done. That means simultaneously you can do those projects on different data, because obviously company data you won't share on the GitHub or anywhere somewhere else.
Yeah, yeah.
But simultaneously in the same way you can do another project to showcase that yes, you have done this type of project in your company. Like just giving example, in current organization where you are in the startup, you're doing it yourself. Okay,
Yeah.
obviously you will not share your data personal,
Exactly.
but you can take a data from GitHub or like what Kaggle, and
Hmm.
simultaneously you can do the projects, and you can mention that in your current company, in your current startup, you are doing that part, right?
Okay.
It will give you the hands-on experience also, and simultaneously it will be counted as a relevant as well. So why not?
Hmm. So basically, what we are discussing right now is create a or do a project that is similar to the project that we are doing in the company to showcase it somewhere.
Exactly.
Okay.
For the experience one I'm talking about,
Yeah. Okay.
not for the career transition side, guys. Okay. For the career transition side, guys, they have to whole and solely can have to do the projects so that we can count as the relevant experience.
Hmm. Okay.
And you have already
Uh, do you think Forage is a nice platform to get started with the projects?
you can start. It's not a big deal.
Okay. Okay, Ashutosh, I believe this is all for my resume. Second thing I would like to show you would be my LinkedIn.
Mm-hmm.
My LinkedIn is actually totally empty. I've not been active at all.
Himanshu, seriously, you're coming from the startup and your LinkedIn is empty. How's that
Because I
possible?
was so busy with my life, I never had the chance to post anything there.
So you're not actively watching Netflix. You're not watching actively
No, no,
Prime.
no, no. Unfortunately, no.
Okay, so Himanshu, now you have to focus majorly on the LinkedIn right now because you're coming from the startup background, and if you know that any startup guy is are actively on the LinkedIn,
Yeah, true.
because for startup guys, LinkedIn is something that is a part of the life. If you're not doing it, you're missing a one part of the startup.
Okay. Like this is all.
Because you will get a lot of because you will get a lot of news, particularly it's not related to your field or any other field. Before getting on board any new company is even launching, before that only you will get a knowledge about on the LinkedIn itself that this type of thing is going to happen in this market, even in the news also. See,
Oh,
you have mentioned about the business analyst, strategic research and operation. So how I am gonna like relate this here? Okay, fine, you are a business analyst in a strategic research and operation. How? You can, if you can go up. Okay, it's lacking. Hmm. Man, for a co-founder, 79 connection only. Come on, you can do better than this. Okay,
yeah, yeah,
first
most
get on
definitely.
board.
I just
First get.
got connected with the co-founder of inGrade. I have been
Okay,
applying everywhere, getting connected everywhere.
sure, go for it, man. See, your about section is very good one. See, guys, everyone, you can see that. Take the screenshot also of this. You can, I'm not saying to copy it. Huh? Come on, no, don't copy it, but you can have a read through thoroughly it that how Himanshu has mentioned about his skill set, what he is doing, what he wanted to do, and what he did in the past related to that. So, Himanshu, you are good with the storytelling.
Little bit, you can say. If I understand
So,
the
don't tell
concept
me.
behind it, I will definitely get it done.
So, no, you know how yourself to like, obviously, that means you know how to pitch yourself.
That is there.
Okay, so Himanshu, on LinkedIn, first you have to like what? Please get connection as much as possible and try to fetch those companies, startups also, because Himanshu, your profile gonna be role in the startup a lot because you're coming from that background and like no in the founder office, lot of opportunities. Your profile is going to be entertained.
Okay.
So if you find any job opportunity towards the founder office, no, you can
Yeah.
just apply for that, because it's indirectly saying that those guys are the business analyst guys in founder office. If any opportunity, if you are seeing no founder office,
Yeah,
just
yeah.
apply on that,
Okay.
because those guys are the business analyst only.
Okay,
And
okay.
your profile gets selected very easily in that particular job role.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. That is all.
Chalo. Anything else, Himanshu?
Uh, for now, that is, I believe that is all.
Okay. So anyone else, guys? Any question?
Hi, Ashutosh. This is Pranab here. Can I share my screen and can you guide me through my LinkedIn profile if it is all right?
Sure. Sure. Definitely.
Okay. I'm sharing my screen now. Is it visible?
Yes, it's visible.
So this is my LinkedIn profile. I have not been active from last 3-4 years, but however, after starting my course with inGrade, I have been active a little bit. What should I say?
Okay. Supply chain connection. In about section, it's very low. That means you have not written that much.
Mhm. Okay.
Try try to create such a story that obviously what you were doing
Mhm.
currently in starting, you can write that the business analyst enthusiast doing on this particular skill set
Mhm.
and doing the course from the ingrade. Okay. And after that, you can write at the end that you were the professional experience with from the supply chain logistic.
Okay. I just now saw Himanshu about. I was just thinking of writing one
So
for myself as well. I thought it was
exactly.
some low pointers here.
Exactly.
Okay.
So
So
Pranav,
yeah,
have to also do a lot of project because you are coming from 11 years of experience.
yes. Few of
Okay,
them
so
I
you
have.
have already done the Python.
Sorry.
You have taken a course from analytics for the Python.
No, no, it was a free analytic Vidya course, I just went through it. I've completed that.
Okay. So Pranav, so are you doing any type of projects or have you done any type of project?
Yeah, few of them like this, if you can see here,
Hmm.
I have added
So
that.
did you put all these projects on GitHub?
Yep, I have done that as well.
Okay. So Pranav, see global salary analysis. So why you haven't done a project from your domain side, logistics side?
I was thinking of doing one, but in that period, the Tabulo workshop began. So I was into Tabulo. So Tabulo, once I finish, I'm thinking of like Power BI projects I have done 2, 3. So I want to put some Tabulo projects over here. So I have kept one data for that.
So how much data you are using in that project?
Uh, you mean the size of the data?
Yes.
It'll be around 10,000 rows. It'll be a comprehensive enough because multiple headers
Okay.
are there,
Mm-hmm.
more than 10,000. I have previous experience with Teradata SQL, while I was working with FedEx. Uh,
Okay, okay. That's why. That's why. No. So guys, see, Pranav is also doing a good thing because this much of data, if you are taking it in your segment and doing the projects, that's going to count a bigger one. Because on the GitHub, or whether you are going from Kaggle, you will get the data of 500 also, 1000 also, 10,000 also. But you have to choose 1000, 2000 beyond data, number of data. So it can show the complexity of your project. So that's a good one, Pranav.
I have worked on a bigger set of data, right? So there I was as I was in the program management with some UPS supply chain. That time
Mm-hmm.
it was a techno-functional role. That time the data was for around billion USD. Sorry, a billion
So
INR.
Pranav,
So
Pranav, for you, it's a very small thing, but a lot of guys here sitting here for that experience and working above 1000 data, 2000 plus data, it's a huge thing.
okay. The thing is that
So that's why.
I have those experience. However, when I skipped to from the corporate to my field, like I have opened up a distribution company or a small distribution firm over here, and I was working with my civil contract, government contracts. During that period, there's a gap of 5 years. I didn't have any hands-on, on this thing. So I just wanted to refresh this entire knowledge. And plus, when I left in 2019, the Power BI and other things just came into the market, right? During that period, I suppose. So that time we were not using that much of Power BI. It was more of a PPT environment. So that's it. And any about me, I have already shown you. I'll fix that. I'll write a story about it. Anything else?
Mm-hmm.
Anything else which I can
Nothing.
mention?
Rest is good to go.
So, and I have already shared my resume with you on the email. We'll connect when you call me, right?
Sure.
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 I'll stop sharing then.
Yeah, sure, Pranav. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Hey, Vishal. So, Vishal, self projects, it's simultaneously you have to do. Don't worry about that. Okay. It's not that you have to share me your project also. I am talking about your resume. Okay. Projects, it's simultaneously you have to do, and it's not going to end it in a 1 day or 2 day within a week. It will be going in 1 month or 2 months down the line. That's not the thing. But you can create your GitHub account and you can paste on your resume. Simultaneously, you will complete the projects and you can post those projects on the GitHub as well. So you can do in that way, Vishal. Okay. Okay, guys. So right now, I believe I have taken a lot of time. It's almost around 11:45. Yes, Dharm.
Yeah, Ashutosh, I just tell you that it's a very good and informative session, and I believe you had take the dinner as well.
That's why. That's why. Himanshu, we will do we will do this on, like, while giving you a call, no, next week. So we will do this. Okay. Because right now, obviously, nobody has taken the dinner. I'm pretty damn sure it's almost around 11:45.
Sure.
Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you. Thanks for your
Thank you.
time.
Thank you, everyone.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.